friends, welcome to Neela Studio. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make front placket for the kurta or kameez, because this is the most important part of the garment, as the first view of your dress is only on the front placket. So we have to make it 100% perfect placket, and once you learn this, you have to make it on a scrap fabric and see if you're getting it exactly like this neatly, and only then you should start making it on the kameez. So for that, I'm just taking this is a scrap fabric which I have. So just you can assume that this is a top and this is the front neck. Okay, so I am going to make a placket for 8 inches. So for that, I have taken about half an inch extra here, because this will go for the seam allowance of the neck. And from there, I marked 8 inches here, and also this side. This is the center. You can just draw a line here, then take half an inch on either side. This is the center line. This is the center line. I marked half an inch here, and I have drawn the line to the length of 8 inches of placket which I will be making. This is to paper fusing, to fuse it on the placket, both the plackets. Okay, but before that, I'm going to fold. I have also drawn a seam allowance margin of half an inch here and half an inch this side. So for both, I have drawn a line half an inch, just to show you all that half an inch is what I have marked. Okay, then I'm going to keep this fusing here, leave half an inch on top, and I'm going to fuse it here with the iron box. And this is going to be extra, which we'll cut later. Okay, the extra fabric. So I'm just going to fuse them here. This fusing will stick only when your iron box is in good heat. See, this one is for this side, and now for this, I'm going to fuse it this side. Just the same way, half an inch there, I'm going to keep it here and fuse it. Why we are attaching this fusing is, even when the fabric is very soft and delicate, it will give a very neat finish. Okay, so now I'm going to fold this. And you can also fold this and iron it. See, I am going to, see, this is half an inch margin I've left. So I'm keeping this half an inch also here. Okay, so that this 8 inch length will come this side. And this one, I'm going to keep it here and attach it here. Okay, so I'm going to attach it here. This is the wrong side. Okay, I'm attaching on the wrong side of the garment.